you want to add a natural elegance to your home, Travertine tiles are the way to go. Not only do they provide a timeless and luxurious look, but they're durable and low maintenance. Our Travertine tiles here at Amber have a distinctive natural look, categorised by their unique veining and textured surface. Choose from light creams and beige to swirling silver and grey colours to complement various home design styles. Whether your preference is a traditional or contemporary style, we have the tile for you. Our Travertine ranges come in multiple sizes, including the popular 400 by 400, 600 by 400, classic French pattern, or more artistic feature tiles such as Kit Kats and mosaics. Why choose Travertine tiles for your home? They're durable, non-slip and resistant to wear. They also don't absorb heat, making them cool underfoot during those hot summer months. Use Travertine tiles for your living and kitchen flooring, or even walling and splashbacks to provide a warm and rustic atmosphere. We also have the Travertine tiles you need for your outdoor space to create an earthy look and texture for patios, pool surrounds, driveways and pathways. Visit your nearest Amber showroom today to browse our indoor and outdoor Travertine tile collection in various sizes and designs. Our expert team will help you find the perfect Travertine tile to bring your design vision to life.